take my grandma to work day with me.
So my granny flew on a plane for the first time at almost 80 years old to come visit me in America. She got a brand new hairstyle. She went to Monster Job. She visited a farmer's market. She found a church. And today she's coming to work with me.
How much should I charge her for my day?
You know, love.
My granny has said yes to everything on this trip so far. And this one, you see this one? This one hits different. Because this isn't just work. This is Jumbileen, the brand that her wisdom quietly built. The herbs we use, the natural ingredients we formulate with, a lot of it comes from what she's taught me, what she's lived, what she's passed down. She knows the products, she used the products, but she's never seen us in action until today. God is good. Let's go to work. But before that, let's head to breakfast.
With Rochielin, Rochielin, let's go. Summer with Rochielin,
Yeah!
let's go.
Good job! Welcome to Mornings with Rochielin and family.
Egg in there. Egg.
I don't want no egg this morning.
Granny is over here making her breakfast, and Sean is trying to figure out what she's making.
You know what? Just a little vegetable.
So you can eat just vegetable and bread?
Just a little vegetable salad.
So
cool.
So wait, so you just gonna eat tomato, lettuce and bread?
Yes, just put it in the bread.
Weird.
A vegetable sandwich.
Yeah, no, go kill me.
Mama, is vegetable and bread alone?
Yeah.
A vegetable sandwich.
Look at sardine, look at tuna,
No.
look at egg, look at protein, no?
With chicken foot.
Remember I have chicken foot in the freezer now?
Never no cook it.
After I don't know if I cook chicken foot, I never eat that yet, I don't like that.
Your mommy and your daddy are two talking parrots. And you are the
That yummy?
bigger chatting parrot.
Let me say.
You get it from the both sides.
Right? From the board side, I couldn't miss him. Watch out, I want more tea.
Want some more?
Oh my gosh.
Welcome to my chaotic life. I'm about to start the process of making almond milk from scratch at home.
Oh, yeah.
I did a video already.
Finish it.
Did a video already showing you how I make almond milk from scratch at home. So I'll link it in the description bar below so that you guys can go ahead and watch it. Because this one won't be a very comprehensive
Alright,
one.
listen again.
But the first part of the process is basically putting some water in this container over the almonds and leave it to soak overnight. But it's day now, so it's not no overnight. So I'm just going to soak it for a couple of hours because I'm going to do it later today.
Alright,
I'm going to leave it to soak. This is my oat porridge. Hey, be careful, Papa. Here's my oat porridge or oatmeal for the Americans. What you doing with this? Can you put it back, please? Put it back on the stove. Thank you.
Good job.
And then some avocado to the mix. Oh yeah, this feels nice. Now just go through this like this, I got taste good. Thank you. Jazzying up the breakfast a little bit. Adding some chickpeas to the mix and some avocado to the mix. Not just bread and vegetables. No, this I got taste yummy in my tummy. Like Leo. Everything yummy in Leo's tummy, okay? Leo, did you drink your tea? Jumbileen. Oh, let the good begin. Jumbileen. Hey. Jumbileen. That's a new Jumbileen song. Let the good begin.
Wake up, stretch out. Today is yours. Before you run, slow down.
Come dance, Leo. Come dance.
Come dance, Papa. Come. Now dance, Anna.
Body but there's still not that moisture in. Oil on your arms like a glow on your skin. Head to toe, taking care of every part.
This is self-love. This is where you start. Jumbileen taking care of you. Hair, skin, body, everything you do must grow, must glow, must shine from within. Jumbileen, this is where you begin. Jumbileen.
Natural, intentional, made for your skin.
Real folk. I'm really coming.
You're coming in.
Natural, intentional,
Made for your skin. Jumbileen. Hey, we need to create a dance. Hey.
Can we just take a moment for what's happening right now? Like, this is our new Jumbileen song, and right now I'm letting my granny hear it for the first time, and she is feeling it, okay? This moment right here, this is everything.
Take care, girl. Nobody else can do it like you do. Jumbileen every single day. Jumbileen taking care of you. Hair, skin, body, everything you do.
Must grow, must glow, must shine through it. Jumbileen, this is baby. Jumbileen.
One big puppy.
Touching my body for your skin.
Woo!
Good for all the good baby. From your head to your skin. Jumbileen. Let the good begin.
I'll get them from
Oh, really?
Guys, how do you make your dumpling / Johnny cakes?
Yeah, this is some fried dumpling. I like to make it this small as because it will swell. And roll it, you make a claw. And just keep it in the claw, round. And once it get round, you press down the middle till it almost flat. But just the middle, you know. You flush down the middle. And once you press down the middle, it will make it cook quicker. Instead of one round ball and take long for reach the middle of the dumpling.
Well, if I run and run that, you know, no wonder my one them look so ill-shaped, because me not do that.
So it's flat and cook quicker.
Today is take my grandma to work day with me. You know, you take your pet to work or you take a child to work. Today is take my granny to work with me. And we're in Jumbileen's lab and we're packing some orders today.
How much should I charge her for my day? How much should I charge her for my day?
You know, love. She's here observing, seeing it in action. See what we do over here. Alright, so we're packing an order. And I don't know if this box is big enough for this order, but let's go. So this order is from someone that lives in Florida. This order is going to Florida. Person ordered 2 of our LCO bundles. We ordered a hair mist. This is what it is. 2 hair oils. And 2 of our hair butters. And now I have to figure out how to make this work. Hey, it can work. Look at that. Now wait. There we go. There we go. Oh wait, only can't see. There we go. See that? Yeah. All fit in the box. So that's 2 our Musgrow hair growth oil, Musgrow hair growth butter, and Musgrow hydrating hair mist. So now we're gonna be filling the box with some packing peanuts to help it during shipment, because you see, once we send off the package, we have no control over what happens during shipment. We'll drop it off to the post office or to UPS depending on what shipping company the person chooses.
Okay.
And then sometimes the shipping guy, the people who deliver the thing, they handle the package so rough. So we try to do everything to ensure that it keep together and then they get it all in one. So for the stuff that's glass, we'll wrap it in bubble wrap and we'll still put the packing peanuts. But these are all plastic, so they should be fine, hopefully. But we still have to make them secure, you know?
Okay. These are what you call the peanut?
Yes, those are the packing peanuts. We're gonna put them in. I'm gonna secure everything and keep it from shifting around. I will make sure I got the fragile tips to warn the post for that whatever is inside of it is fragile.
Okay, so then we'll handle with care.
Handle with care, remind them of it. And and then this now is the shipping label. Let's see, this one is going to Florida. We'll put this on. And when we drop it off at the post office, they scan it in and they'll know where to send it to.
Okay.
This person ordered our Must Grow hair growth oil only. And this one is going to Omaha NE. Where's NE? Sean!
Yeah.
Where is Omaha NE? What is NE?
No, it's none of that.
Where is Omaha what?
NE. Is that Nebraska?
NE?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. But I didn't know we have people in Nebraska. Wow. That's exciting. And for every package that we send out, we take a photo of it. One copy stores on our system and one goes out to the customer so that we both know what's in the package. Just in case, you know, the shipping company decides to tell us that they didn't receive the package, or the person tell us they didn't receive the package, or we put the wrong thing in the package, we can always check because there's record. Let me take the photo. This person ordered one of our 2-ounce Jamaican black castor oil, and this is imported directly from Jamaica. We just bottle it here. It's made the traditional way, using the beating of the castor beans and the boiling to skim the oil off the top, you know, the traditional way that my grandmother makes it, and that a lot of older Jamaicans make it. That's what this is. And of course it's in a glass bottle, so we have to wrap it up to make sure.
Okay. Okay. What's up?
The next stop is the post office to drop off every single order, and I just want to take the time to say thank you guys for going on our website www.jumbileen.com to place an order, for buying anything that you've bought from us. We're so grateful. Thank you so much, and we know you're loving the products because we've been seeing your reviews. Thank y'all. Now let's head to Walmart.
So my grandma accidentally left her glasses back in Jamaica, so we're here trying on reading glasses to see which one works for her. I have some more to try. How that one fit? You guys just smile. Look at your cute. Is it cute, you know? How that one they feel? As in, can you see?
Yes, I can.
You want to try more, or you're good with that one? You have many more?
O Creator of all things, I cannot begin to perform the works of your hand. Their number is so great, and the wisdom they display so intricate as to be beyond my understanding.
Alright, it sounds like you can see, man.
Yeah.
Alright, let's try another one. Take off that one and I can put this aside. Good stuff. This was 1.25. Try this one.
This one just come?
Yeah, some black one. Maybe this can work with everything. Try that one. Maybe we carry it a little closer. Should have something left on the side that make it hard.
Alright, so look, go to my ears.
This one's supposed to bring it a little closer because the one that you had on just now is plus.
Another one, let me try one of them.
Yeah, but this one is a plus 1.25, which means that it bring it 1.25 closer. And the one where you have is a 1.5, so that should bring it even closer. But
I want to some see what that better than this.
that means you're not all that blind then. I mean, you're not blind at all, but that means that you don't need the lens that strong. Okay, cool. So a 1.25 range we need for the inner. Try this one just to make sure, since this is, and tell me how this one goes.
God is the creator and the preserver of all the universe. He did not create it and then abandon it to go to his own way, but every moment upholds it in existence, or it should immediately cease to be. That one and that one are almost the same thing.
It is the same. So I just want to make sure it's at the right thing. So it's a 1.25 you need. Alright, so you did like, these are the same. So it's just about no color. Do you want the black or do you like the red? Reddish frame. So it's the one we did like first. Kind of like a burgundy-ish. You want that, the purple one? Alrighty. Look for me. Can you see me?
Oh, my blind.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one.
Alright, cool. Put your hand in there, something there. Put it all the way. Yeah. And then it's a place your arm. Place your left arm in the cuff and rest your forearm under the sit up straight with your legs uncrossed. Make sure you don't cross. And then first go and remain still and silent for the accurate reading. I'd say now go move. How we go there? Oh, press it. And then sit still, don't talk. Wow. It's still a gone. Remain still and silent. So as I'm in here, I saw this blood pressure check machine and I decided to test it to see if it works. And it looked like it's working because look at us. Checking our blood pressure. Still says the test is still underway. Please remain still and silent.
The blood pressure test is complete. Please take your arm out of the cup.
Alright, thank you guys for watching. This is where I'm gonna end today's video. Be sure to come back to see what else we get up to in the next video. You won't want to miss it. Remember to check out Jumbileen at www.jumbileen.com for all your natural hair and skincare needs, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Love y'all. Bye.